A live parasite, 8 centimeters long, was found in the brain of a 64-year-old woman. This species usually infects pythons. A live, 8 centimeter long parasitic nematode was removed from the brain of a 64-year-old woman who complained of depression and memory problems. Interestingly, this species of nematode usually infects carpet pythons. This is the first such case in history. The woman was first hospitalized in Canberra, Australia in 2021, complaining of stomach problems, a dry cough and night sweats. Tests then showed damage to the lungs, liver and spleen. A few months later, the 64-year-old reported depression and memory problems, prompting doctors to perform a brain scan. The scans showed the parasitic nematode Ophidascaris robertsi writhing in the woman's brain, which is usually found in carpet pythons, Morelia spilata. The case report was published in the Emerging Infectious Diseases Journal. The woman had no direct contact with snakes, but lived near a lake where carpet pythons live. She also cultivated a home garden. Scientists believe that the woman may have come into contact with nematode eggs in the snake's droppings, which he left while feeding on vegetables. We hypothesized that she inadvertently ingested O. robertsi eggs either directly from vegetation or indirectly by contaminating her hands or cooking utensils, the case authors wrote. O. robertsi is a type of parasitic nematode found naturally in Australia. Adults live in the esophagus and stomach of the carpet python, and lay eggs in snake droppings. These eggs are then eaten by small mammals, and the hatched nematodes migrate to organs in the host's chest and stomach. When pythons eat these animals, they become infected and the cycle continues. The parasite wasn't small at all. After removal, its length was fixed at 8 centimeters. The presence of lesions in the lungs and liver suggested that the larvae had also migrated to other organs. The team hypothesized that the larva probably entered her brain due to a weakened immune system. This has never been seen even in animals infected with O. robertsi. This is the first case of this parasite in the human brain. After removing the uninvited occupant from the woman's brain, doctors prescribed 2 types of anti-parasitic drugs to make sure any larvae that might have migrated to other organs were killed. This was necessary because O. robertsi larvae can live in animal hosts for years. They also stopped the previously prescribed immunosuppressants, and 6 months after surgery, her immune cell counts returned to normal and her neurological symptoms improved. The authors of the paper concluded that the woman's infection highlights the ongoing risk of zoonotic diseases, which are diseases that can be transmitted from animals to humans as humans and animals interact more closely. O. robertsi infection is not transmissible between people. so this case will not cause a pandemic like COVID-19 or Ebola. However, snakes and parasites also occur in other parts of the world. So it is likely that more cases will be detected in other countries in the coming years, said Dr. Sanjaya Senanayake of the Australian National University.